Hi, I'm Karen Wiener here at the New Wheel Electric Bikes in San Francisco, and I'm standing here with the KALKHOFF Include 8 Premium. KALKHOFF as a company has been really rethinking the way that they engineer bicycles, the frames of electric bicycles in particular, and this is their take on the most sophisticated, well-designed step-through bike. So often I think that step-throughs are not super well engineered, not really taken seriously. This, completely different. So today we'll talk about the features that make this bike special, who might enjoy riding it, and hopefully you'll get excited about it too. The brakes are Shimano hydraulic disc brakes. This means that the experience going down a hill is going to be just as solid and awesome as that going up. So you can come to a full stop incredibly quickly. You can descend very steep hills with total confidence, and it's part of the kind of very solid nature of the bike. The Include rack is a custom rack time rack. This means that you've got a standardized top, which allows you to fit in baskets, bags, or of course carry a bag like an Ortlieb pannier on the side. The Include has safety basics covered. Front and rear lights are wired into the battery, which means you always have lights when you need them. And the bike comes with an integrated cafe lock that allows you to lock in basic locking environments like when you're standing with a friend on the corner or in your garage. Excellent tires, Schwalbe Marathons, that are made for urban riding and super puncture proof, and sturdy fenders that are never going to rattle on you and will keep you dry and happy in moist weather. The centerpiece of this bike is really the ways in which the drivetrain and frame are integrated. You've got the Impulse Evo drive combined with a Shimano Nexus 8 with the conduit of a Gates carbon belt drive. The Impulse Evo drive peaks at 80 Newton meters and will support your effort up to 20 miles per hour. They've added a new level of assist, which is called Ultra, which will give you an extra boost of power when you're going up a steep hill. The system uses many of the technologies that are already on board, all the great impulse motors that we see here at the New Wheel. This includes things like the shift sensor, which acts almost like a clutch as you shift and really protects the drivetrain. It always cracks me up when I'm talking to the Germans and they say something about the HMI, the human-machine interface. Well, it's what we call the console, and it's the centerpiece of the cockpit here on this bike. On the Include, you've got a clean setup, a very clear and large display where you can easily see the information that you need, your speed, your battery capacity, estimated range based on your battery capacity and level of assist, and then integration with a smartphone app, which will give you actually simple and useful turn-by-turn navigation if you put a destination into the application. The designers and engineers at KALKHOFF really want the rider to feel included as a part of this piece of technology. It's really a bridge between machine and human power, right? And the way that they've worked towards this is to add features like suspension at the front fork and the seat, amazing comfortable grips made by Ergon, which will give you a full hand support. We can customize the adjustment of the stem. This way, you're never going to get numbness in your hands. You're always going to feel comfortable. And that is really part of the fundamental design of this bike. If you're looking for a sturdy, reliable, and very high quality bike, this is the one that you should try. What you should really do is come in here to the New Wheel, because our staff is ready to go out on a test ride with you and really help you defy your experience of every hill you've ever been on. We'll go out with you and we'll show you how to best kind of engage with this bicycle. The technology is built to give you what you need, and we're here to show you how all of that works. So come on in, give it a try. I know you're gonna love it.